But for those of us who cannot swoop, we swish, okay? We swish them hairs. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by AliPearl. They were kind of sending me a unit to review for you guys. And this is my first time working with this brand, so I will be focusing on the glueless install for this unit. No, it's not meant to be glueless, but we are making it glueless, okay? You can make any wig glueless, sis. Okay, Brenda? Have a seat and grab your notepad, okay? So before I show you guys how I got this seamless glueless install, tell you about the specs and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
I shouldn't be standing with a heart that's so heavy. I shouldn't be up with all the weight that I carry. Don't know if it's right, but I'm sticking with you. You're my only vice, I'm dependent on you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell. I think I'm addicted to feeling bad as hell. I can just let you go. You're the one I wait for, even though I hate. Every time you leave me to my fate. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Better for my soul, yeah, better for my soul. Find somebody better, better for my soul. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Dreaming about the good days when you put me first, baby. When you used to call me just to say that you miss me. Don't know how we got here, but I blame you. And I blame myself just for sticking with you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell. I think I'm addicted to feeling bad as hell. I can just let you go. You're the one I wait for, even though I hate. Every time you leave me to my fate. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Better for my soul, yeah, better for my soul. Find somebody better, better for my soul. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better.
Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from AliPearl. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. If I have a coupon code for this unit, you guys know that I will link it down below to save you guys some coin because, you know, I'm all about the savings, okay? Now, this unit out the pack was a little scary only because the hairline was not giving me exactly what I wanted. But I will say it gave me enough to start, so if I didn't want to pluck anything or pull anything out of my hairline, I could definitely rock this unit how it was out the pack. But I still wanted to make sure that I pressed it out and made sure it was good to go for this glueless install. Now, when I'm doing a glueless install, I want to make sure that my hairline is together, okay? The baby hairs, the baby swoops, whatever you're gonna do to make your hairline look natural, as well as, you know, the hair that's pushed back off the hairline, you wanna make sure it's given a natural look. I have realized that I can't do the swoops. Even though they do look good on some people, on me, they just don't be hitting, sis. But this right here, I feel like looks very natural and very good on my face. So that's no shade whatsoever to anyone who does swoops. I think swoops look good, especially if you know how to do them. But for those of us who cannot swoop, we swish, okay? We swish them hairs. We swish them hairs around our hairline, and yeah, that's how we sitting right now. This unit is 100% glueless on my dome. Y'all saw that I only use my mousse right here. If you don't have this mousse or any other mousse, get yourself some mousse if you want to have a glueless install. And I'm waving this joint around because it don't have to be that mousse, it just needs to be some type of holding mousse that you can put around your hairline and tie her down and leave her for about 10-15 minutes to make sure your wig hairline forms around your natural hairline. Now when it comes to the swishing, okay, you may not get the hairline that I have just because I have learned how to perfect it for me, but practice makes perfect. Write it down, Brenda, write it down. Practice makes perfect, okay? We are sitting pretty daggone good, if I must say so myself, with this glueless install. Look, comb up in there. Okay, comb up in there. I will say though, this cap is real small. I know my head is big. I don't need a wig clocking me like this. Not like this. This wig was struggling to hold on to my dome, but I got my wig grip and she holding on. Okay, she holding on for dear life, because when I put the adjustable straps on the back of this unit, it was too tight. It wasn't coming. Y'all saw what happened. Okay, it clocked me real quick. That's embarrassing. AliPearl, don't do me like that again. Okay, I don't like that. It does not come down near close, not even close to my sides over here. It's all up in here. That's it. That's all I got. My edges are busting out the side of this wig, but for the sake of my install, I was able to, you know, finesse her, and here we go. Now, I didn't wash this hair, but I did spray her down with some dry shampoo. You will want to wash the hair to get any type of chemical smells out this unit, because it does come with some. But for the sake of the video and time constraints, I just sprayed her down and styled it, okay? The texture of this hair does allow the unit to hold curls. However, you will want to cut some layers into your hair if you want the curls to stay. I am not a teacher of layers. I am a finagler of layers, okay? So I know how to finagle some layers real quick. I saw this girl cut some layers in her unit on TikTok, and y'all, I want to try it. I do want to try it. I may try it on this one, just, you know, kind of, you know, shorten it up a little bit. But I think she's a professional, okay? I'm not that. I'm not a professional, okay? I don't even have the right scissors, okay? So I'm still learning, y'all. The texture as a whole though is nice. The curls came out nice. The layers came out nice. The styling came out nice. The unit as a whole is nice. I'm pretty sure with my specs, this unit is about $200-ish. So, you know, it's not as high as I have shown on my channel, but it's not, you know, the lower price point either. So shop within your budget, okay? And you'll be just fine, okay? You'll be just fine. So, yeah, what are we thinking, y'all? I think she came out pretty daggone good, if I must say so myself. I could definitely wrap this joint and make sure my curls stay, you know, a couple days or whatever. I could do that. I could do that. But I ain't gonna do it right now. I just don't. I think she looked cute, simple look, and something's on my lip, y'all. Hold on. There she is. I was wondering where she was at. She was just holding on for dear life. Goodness gracious. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to AliPearl for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. I did that in all one breath. Boss. I'm just so silly. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.